Alright, hello people. It's been a long time. It's been like 8 months since I made a video, but I've been through a lot of crap. Not a lot of crap, but I've been doing a lot of stuff. I've been very busy. So, I just wanted to do a video update on my pouring concrete on the gravel driveway. And this is 8 months later. I did this back in August or something like that. And it's now May, the next year of 2024. And this thing held up better than I thought it would. So I'm walking on it here, like it's still solid. So all I did, if you watched my previous video on pouring concrete on gravel, all I did was just a loose gravel pit, and I was parking my trailer on here by hand, and it was a pain in the ass. Like I could barely pull it out, even though this is almost flat. This is almost a flat surface. There's no grade, no going uphill. I could barely pull it out, and it's hard to get. Like, there's not much room over there to get like a truck in here or something to pull it out. So by pulling it out by hand was just a pain in the butt. So I threw a couple bags of concrete, not concrete, cement on here, and now I'm telling you, it's held up. I could easily pull my trailer out. So that's one update. So that is a go. I would do that again at another place, another spot. It was a definite go.